I want to show you a feature that Vanlos Wang worked on. It's in the containers page. And now you can run a Docker container. Let's use the BusyBox container. And you can specify the environment and volumes that that container will have from the GUI. So let's add an environment variable. I can add a volume. Say I want to mount the volume mount in the container to the host path temp. Make it read-only. Actually, that's probably not a good idea. Let's just do it that way. There we can see anything we place in mount on the host path should show up in the container at mount. And let's run this container. Previously, you could only specify the links and ports. So here we can see the container start up. There it is. And we can dive into it. Let's look inside. Whoops. There you go. You can see that this environment has been set. And if we look at, there's nothing in mount right now. So let's bring over a terminal. And we can see that if we will touch a file inside of mount on the host. And now we'll look at mount again. We can see that that file is there. So we have, in fact, made a mount. Now, of course, you don't want to do this every time. So let's say we stop our container. And then we'll commit it with a new identifier. Give it a moment. There we go. I'm going to commit it to Steph Walter demo, and this is my tag is going to be volume and env. And so all the changes that we made inside this container, including the configuration of the container, now applies to this container image, which we can push somewhere else. Here we are. So if I run this one now, you can see that this is preset already. This variable is pre-filled. We can, of course, add additional ones and change more variables for this particular instance, but these changes get included. All right, thanks for watching.